Hello everyone, I'm Lizelle G. Conocido of Columban College Incorporated, and here is my translational research. With the theme Bridging the Gap, Understanding and Addressing Learning Gaps and Losses in Elementary Academic Subjects. The formation of learning gaps and deficits in academic areas presents a major issue for educators working in elementary education. This theme explores the complex difficulties primary school instructors confront in recognizing, resolving, and minimizing learning disparities among pupils in a range of academic areas. By delving into these issues, this team aims to uncover practical approaches and interventions that can close the academic gap and promote academic success for all students. A central focus of this team is the in-depth investigation of the various internal and external factors contributing to learning losses and gaps. These factors include differing prior educational experiences, variation in socioeconomic status, unique learning preferences, and the impacts of external disruptions like the COVID-19 pandemic. By understanding the root causes of these challenges, teachers can better tailor their methods to meet the specific needs of each student. Identifying the instructional constraints and pedagogical impediments that prevent teachers from effectively addressing learning losses and gaps is crucial to this issue. Such constraints include large class sizes, time limitations, resource shortages, and the need for individualized instruction to cater to diverse learning needs. Recognizing these challenges allows educators to collaborate in developing innovative solutions and best practices to address them. Ultimately, this topic is a call to action for educators, policymakers, and stakeholders to unite in tackling learning losses and gaps in elementary academic subjects. By fostering a culture of collaboration, innovation, and continuous improvement, we can work towards a future where every child, regardless of background, has the opportunity to succeed academically and reach their full potential. Relating to this translational research, the focus is on forming theoretical insights and empirical findings into practical interventions and policies. Translational research involves bridging the gap between educational research and classroom practice by taking data-driven insights into learning gaps and translating them into effective teaching strategies and policies. This approach ensures that interventions are grounded in a real-world classroom experiences and tailored to address the specific challenges faced by students and teachers. By continually refining these strategies based on ongoing research and feedback, translational research aims to create a dynamic and responsive educational environment that effectively addresses learning disparities and promotes academic success for all students.